Step 4. Configuring Filezilla. Now that you have Filezilla installed, open the program and you'll be brought to the main screen. The top window will display your connection information and give you a log of all the functions you perform. The two side-by-side windows are a listing of files. The files on the left are the files on your computer, and the files on the right will show the files on the hosting server once you're connected. The window on the bottom will show a queue of files that are being downloaded or uploaded or are scheduled to be. Now let's set up your first connection. Before we do so, please note that for all the guides throughout this tutorial, we'll be using the sample domain dragonflydesign.eu. Always change dragonflydesign.eu to yourdomain.com. We'll also be using the username Dragon. Replace Dragon with your hosting account username. If you haven't already, open Filezilla. Make sure that you have your FTP information. This information is available in the same email you received from your instructor, which had your dojo login information. For those of you that aren't hosting with us, you should have gotten your FTP information from your hosting provider. You should also have a domain registered and pointed at your hosting account's name servers. If you're unsure about this, please submit a support ticket. To begin setting up our first connection, click the File menu and then click on Site Manager. Now click on the New Site button. Change the text highlighted in blue to whatever you would like to name your connection. On the right-hand side, under Host, type in ftp.yourdomain.com. Replace yourdomain.com with your domain name. Since our tutorial domain is dragonflydesign.eu, our example shows ftp.dragonflydesign.eu as the host. For now, leave the protocol and encryption type as they are. Change the logon type dropdown to normal. Enter in your FTP username and password. Once all of your information has been entered in, click Connect. All the information that you just entered in will be saved, so the next time when you open Filezilla and you open up the Site Manager, just highlight your connection and click Connect. If you see the screen being shown in the video, then you've properly connected to your host. Remember, the files listed on the left-hand side will be different as shown in the video because these are the files on your local computer. However, the files on the right should be the same, as this first access, all new accounts are given a default file structure. If you're not hosting with us, your files may look slightly different. You can close Filezilla for now, and we'll get back to it in later tutorials. If you're not seeing this screen or received an error during this process, please submit a support ticket. Continue to the next step.